today I have another double Boxycharm unboxing for you guys, and I'm going to be trying these products on, hence the no makeup. I actually wasn't wearing makeup for most of the day. I got my box and I was like, perfect, we can do a try on today since I haven't done one for a couple months. You guys really liked my unboxing all 3 boxes last month, so I am going to be showing you guys what is in the Boxycharm regular box and in the premium for January. So I did want to go over the differences real quick. I have it pulled up here because I never can remember and I don't want to get it wrong, but the original Boxycharm is a value of $125 and up, and it is $25 a month, and you get 5 items and you get to choose one. This is the Boxycharm Premium, which you can also get on top of that. This is over $175 value. It is $35 a month, and you get 6 to 7 items, and you do get to choose one item in this one as well. I know a lot of people were upset because they've been on the wait list, but I think the wait list did open up, and hopefully some of you guys were able to snag the premium subscription. If not, I'm sure they'll keep adding more. And as always, Boxycharm does send me the regular box every month, and I pay for the premium, so sometimes I do get duplicates, which usually you should never, so just keep that in mind as well. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Alright, so going into our normal $25 box, the theme for January is breaking the ice. It has this little card here, and I have box variation number 2. The first thing I'm seeing is actually from Too Faced, and this is their Diamond Light Diamond Fire highlighter. It comes in this beautiful box. It looks like a little ring. I've tried this one before. It's a little bit deep for me. It's in Canary Diamond, but it is a really pretty highlighter, and my favorite is their just original Diamond Light. I have that one in my collection and I use it frequently. It's such a pretty like opalescent highlight. But I'll go ahead and show you what this one looks like so you can get an idea. So it looks like a little ring box. You open it up and here is the highlighter. So this one kind of has this peachy red kind of undertone to it. It's very beautiful. So that alone retails for $36, which definitely more than pays for your box, which is very exciting. And then we also got from Wander Beauty this Chip for 2 blush and bronzer duo. I also have tried this before. I actually ended up decluttering mine again. I just wasn't a huge fan of how these powders performed on me. I don't think they're bad by any means, but I just have better in my collection, so that's why I ended up decluttering it. So we got Daiquiri and Tulum here. I feel like this is a nice product to receive though. You get a nice blush and a bronzer. And this one here retails for $36 as well. So a very good value in this box here. We also got from Glow Recipe, this is their Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This is not the big full size, but it's like a good deluxe size. They do sell this size, so it does count as a full size. But it comes in this nice little container. I love Glow Recipe products. They always smell incredible. They use different fruits with their products, and this one smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers, and it's a really nice sleeping mask. It's like a gel-like finish, and I really enjoy their stuff. This one retails for $22 for this size. This one is interesting because I usually just put it on before I go to bed, but you can also use it as a wash-off mask, it says, if you want to apply a generous layer and then rinse with water after 10 minutes. Then we also got this from Grande Lash. We got their Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. I've definitely heard of Grande Lash before. They make really nice lash lengthening products. They have a lash serum. I've never tried like an actual mascara from them, so I'm pretty pumped about it. This comes in a huge tube. I think we'll try this out today. This retails for $25. It says it's a no flake intense black formula. And then lastly, in our regular box, we got a palette from Ace Beauty. I know they have some really cool eyeshadows. They have great pigmentation, and a lot of people really enjoy them. We've gotten 1 or 2 palettes from them before, but this is a bigger one. It's called Scarlet Dusk. Here's the packaging. They do have pretty basic packaging, so that's one thing I think they could definitely improve on, but they do have a really nice formula. As you can see, here's the colors. They're very pretty. This retails for $34.99, which for that price I do think it could have a better packaging like I mentioned earlier, because it is a little bit on the high-end pricey side, but you also get a nice mirror in here too. But the shadows usually are good quality, so we will be playing with this today, hopefully, unless we get something cooler in our Boxycharm Premium. I have no idea. But that's everything in my regular box. It was pretty amazing. Definitely well worth $25, even though I have a lot of these products, but it's still fun for me to test them out for you, and I'm sure anyone else who got this box would be extremely pleased with it. Adding up all my products together, it was about $154 value with this box, which is pretty good. Like, that's a really high number. Alright, moving on to the premium box here. Okay, so first up, let's do skincare. I got something from Skin Fix. This is a really nice skincare company that uses great ingredients, no fragrance, which I'm all about. So I really like their stuff, and I haven't tried like a ton from them. I have a lot of their skin and body products and lip care, but this is the Resurface Plus Glycolic Renewing Scrub. It's a double duty body peel and polish for rough, bumpy, and crepey skin. So I guess you could use this all over the body, which is great. It says a pre-shower and in-shower chemical and manual exfoliator with 7% glycolic acid and 6% lactic acid. This will be really nice to use on the body. I'm so bad at having a good exfoliation on the body, so I think this sounds amazing. I definitely want to try it out like tomorrow. This retails for $40, and it's supposed to smooth the appearance of crepey, rough, and bumpy skin. I'm really excited to try this out. Next up, what is this? This is by Saint Lux. It says Eyeliner Trio. I've never tried this brand, but it's kind of nice. We get 3 eyeliners in here. There is a Saint Charcoal, Saint Bronze, and a Saint Nude. And this little set retails for $55. Okay, that's a little high for this. It says a mix of 3 must-have liners in bronze, nude, and black. St. Lux is bringing you a budge-proof gel-based liner that glides on effortlessly and lasts all day long. So I'll definitely try one of these. I won't swatch them all right now, but we will put these to the test in the second portion of this video. I don't necessarily swatch everything just because I don't like to be wasteful. If it's a product that I already own, if it's a product that I'm not super interested in, I can give it away to somebody and then I don't have to waste it. But I will be trying on the majority of these things. Okay, I'm actually kind of excited for this, but it's Kat Von D. I know people don't really care for their stuff, but I don't mind getting it in like a box. This is the Lolita eyeshadow, and I actually feel like this would be a beautiful blush. I know Lolita is like their best-selling shade in their lips, so it's really exciting to try it in a blush, or I guess you could use it as a shadow, but I think this would make such a gorgeous blush with like such a light hand. This retails for $19. Alright, I'll show you guys my choice item of the month. I was really excited to see that they are sampling the Too Faced Sugar Peach Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palette, because I had this palette and I broke my favorite shade in here. And I've been wanting a new one to replace the one that broke of mine. And I know you can repress it, but there's just something about when I repress stuff, it just doesn't always feel the same to me, and then I don't use it as much. I know it's weird, but that's just how I am. But this is so stunning. So I'm really excited that this was part of it. I think it's a beautiful palette. In here, you get a highlight and a few blushes. They're absolutely beautiful. I love this highlight too. Peach Pearl is amazing as a highlight. And it smells like their Peaches and Cream line, which I love. So I was pretty pumped about this little highlight set. I am going to keep this for sure, so I will swatch these. And I'll probably try this on in the video for you guys today. But it's amazing. This is the one that broke, Peach Pop. It's my favorite shade. And I was so sad about it. It's so pretty. So here is the swatches there. Yay, I'm excited about that. And this one retails for $44. Okay, and then we got this from Billion Dollar Brows. To be honest, I've seen this kit at TJ Maxx. It doesn't really excite me because I've seen it there for like $5.99, but it's the best brow kit ever, apparently. I mean, I haven't tried it, so I think we will try it in this video and see if it really is the best ever. This retails for $42. Whoa. You get a universal brow pencil, a brow duo pencil, a smudge brush, and a clear brow gel. Oh, I'm so excited. This is the last product, and I've been wanting to try this. It's from Farsali, and it's their Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. Oh, this is so fun. I've been so curious about this. I always wanted to try this Farsali serums. The only one I've tried is the Unicorn, and I really like it, but they're so pricey. I just never buy them, and like liquid glass just sounds beautiful. So let's see. This says it's is a hybrid skincare serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow with hyaluronic acid to plump and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You could use it as a hydrating skincare serum or a radiance boosting primer before makeup, and it retails for $54. Their stuff always smells really good. I'll just do a small swatch for you guys. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it. Wow. It really does make your skin look like just liquid glass, like it says. That's crazy. So adding up all the totals, it was about $254 for our products in our Boxycharm Premium. I do think the Premium is well worth it. If I was gonna pick one or the other, I'd probably do the Premium. I think you do need to be a regular subscriber to join the Premium, but once you get your first month done, you can cancel your regular box and just do this one, I believe. So don't hate me if I'm wrong. But now I want to go ahead and get into the try-on portion. So for all you guys who only wanted to see unboxing, you guys can go. That's fine. And we're going to try these products out today. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to apply this liquid glass on my face while I do my eye makeup to let that kind of sink in. I'm so excited. It feels so lightweight. I love how the Farsali oils just like sink right in and they're not sticky at all. Grab my pig mirror. It looks good. It's not as like glassy, but I guess if we added more, we could get a more glass-like effect, but it kind of has that like really pretty shine to it. So that is the Farsali. I think I'm really going to enjoy this product. I'm so excited we got that. It's probably my favorite thing of all. We got our Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette to try out today, which looks so fun. So first thing, I'm just grabbing a big fluffy MAC brush. This is the 224, and we're gonna dip into, I want to do something pink, I think, so I'm gonna go with Lotus first. It's like this pale dusty pink. The shade's pretty light. Okay, so that is kind of blending out. We got some nice pink tones going on. I'm gonna intensify it with Pink Moon using the same brush. This looks so bright. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Next, I'm gonna take Sangria and put that in the outer corner. I wanted that a little bit darker. I think that's too light. It almost looks the same as the pink we just used. So I'm actually going to go into Nocturnal and deepen that up. Now it makes it kind of a little more like burgundy, plummy. Next, on a flat brush, this is a Luxie 264 kind of duo brush. I'm going to use the shade Maui on the lid. Ooh, that's pretty. Very light and bright. It's almost more like champagne colored than pink though. Next, I'm going to take the Saint Luxe eyeliner in Saint Bronze and use that on the lower lash. Do I like this color? Ooh, these aren't as nice as I thought they would be. I was expecting them to be a little bit more creamy, and the shade's a little light for me, but I'm still gonna try it. I'm gonna line my lower lash line here. Next, I'm gonna do my foundation, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I have foundation concealer on. I'm gonna do the brows using this brow kit here from Billion Dollar Brows. So for me, I'm probably not gonna use the brush. I will use this pencil here. Let's see. It is a universal one, which I'm not usually a fan of those because I feel like there's so many different hair colors in this world that there's usually not a universal color. So I'm going to have to be really light with this since I have a lighter kind of cool tone blonde brows. And this is going to make them look pretty dark, I think. But I'm just going to lightly kind of outline. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this. It's got a little bit too dark here on one of my brows, so I'm going to try and smooth that out. But I would just rather use something that's more catered to my actual color. Also wanted to mention that eyeliner again. I swatched it on my hand. It's like almost gone, so I don't see how that's gonna be a super long wearing one, so I just didn't think that was the best either. Next, I'm gonna try this Grande Drama mascara here. It has kind of a, it's almost an hourglass shaped wand, if you guys can see. I feel like the oils would help condition the lashes, but I don't know if that would make it, you know, transfer onto my under eyes throughout the day, is what I'm a little worried about, but so far it is looking nice. Here is the lashes. I do like how those came out. I do think they look really nice, and it was nice and volumizing, and they're not super lengthening though. But if you guys like volume, I think you would really like this one. Next, we'll go in with the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. So I'll go ahead and use both these shades in here. We'll start with the bronzer in Tulum. And this one's actually applying really nice. I don't know, I kind of like the shade that it's giving. I know I kind of bashed these earlier, but now I'm kind of like, oh, well, it's looking good. I don't think it's like my favorite because it's just a little bit patchy there, but it does have a nice kind of color. So let's try out this blush. It looks pretty pink. I just took a little bit and I'm just gradually adding that into the cheeks. I do like that. That looks pretty. It's very pink and it goes well with the eyes. And then we're taking this one. I'm not going to use this one, I know. I think it's just going to be too dark. But I love this Sugar Peach palette, so I have to show you guys Peach Pearl on my favorite highlighter. Oh my gosh, yes. It's so beautiful. Okay. I realized that we didn't get any lips in any of these boxes, which is crazy. I feel like we always get lips. So let me put something on real quick. I'm using Pat McGrath Donatella because I love it. It's one of my favorites. And that completes the look today. I actually really like how most of the products performed. Zoom out. I feel like it looks so good. Very pink and just fun, very festive for Valentine's Day, which is the next holiday coming up. And yeah, I'm really impressed with the eyeshadow palette even. That looks really pretty. I think I would see myself using that actually quite often. It's really nice. The only things I don't really care for is the eyeliner we got and also the brows. It's not horrible, but it's just a little too dark for my liking, but everything else worked well. The bronzer from the Wander Beauty one is just a little bit light. I feel like our blush kind of took over there, but other than that, I think it's okay. I think we got a really good Boxycharm. Both Boxycharms are really good this month. So let me know what you guys thought about the products this month. And if you guys got anything different, I would love to know. I wonder, oh, I should share my version for the Boxycharm Premium was $29 because I always get questions about that. And I'll let you guys go. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, my link is down below. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.